So welcome back, guys. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be dropping for you guys. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Guys, once again, click on that subscribe. Last week we did analysis for the week, and I told you clearly that GBPUSD will give us a bullish move, and GBPUSD gave us that bullish move. This bullish move is what we were expecting on GBPUSD, and it gave us that bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification also, so that once we drop an update next, you will not miss out on the updates. Now let's see what GBPUSD will be giving us this week. And I'm going to tell you guys that this week that we are predicting for, GBPUSD is also going to be giving us a bullish move. Why are we going to be expecting that bullish move? That we are going to be doing that analysis right now. Now let's start with our trend. First thing first, before we take a trade, we need to understand what market is doing, and we need to understand the trend, right? And if you are to zoom it out, you will see that the main trend, previous trend on GBPUSD was on an uptrend move. There was a series of higher high and higher low, right? Playing out. Market was giving a series of higher low, which was playing out. Guess what market did next? Market was able to now pull back and give a lower low and a lower high. You can see it started giving a lower low and a lower high, series of lower low and a lower high. When market was able to do that, what market did next? What is market doing now? Market is now pushing up, giving us an uptrend move, which is about to give us more higher and higher low. So we in the long run, that personally I would say that for swing traders, if you would love to hold your position for the long term, now is the best time to open for your buy, because GBP USD in the long run will push up to clear this high. So we are anticipating for a bullish move. So this week, guys, we should expect GBP USD to go ahead and give us a bullish move, thereby closing bullish for the week. So we would expect that bullish move to continue till it is able to take out this high. Now let's go down to the daily time frame on our GBP USD. You can clearly see that if you follow this channel consistently, yesterday I did the prediction on Friday. For Friday, I said that Friday GBP USD will open and close bullish. If you have not watched it, you can go back to go and watch it to confirm. You will see the check the channel to confirm. And we also did the prediction on Thursday where we said that GBP USD will open and close bullish, and it did that. So Thursday and Friday, GBP USD open and close bullish. Now take a look at this movement right here. This is the high that GBPUSD gave us, and here is the higher low. If you take a look at this also, this is our higher high, and here is our higher low. GBPUSD was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Then we had this new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the equal higher low right here. Now that we've got this equal higher low, market has now been able to push up to form a new higher high. So that is to tell you that now that we've got this new higher high, expect an higher low on GBPUSD. Then we can now start anticipating for a new higher high. So an higher low is what you should be expecting before a new higher high. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. This is a movement, right? Markets rejected from the zone, which I have explained in a previous analysis we did, right? I said that market, this zone is a support level whereby we should expect market to push up, which market did. The market pushed up further and was able to pull back right here. Market was able to push up again. So that is to tell you that a pullback should be expected soon. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing, probably if you are in on the buy on your GBP USD, you can start hopping out on with your profits or partial profits right now, because a pullback will be coming soon. Once the pullback comes in, right, then we should expect another new higher high that we push up. So about this new higher high, when it is about to form, I'll make sure I let you guys to know, and I'll give you guys an update so that you can quickly hop in on the buy and you will not miss out on it. So in order for you to miss out on that update, click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification, and you can also follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.